You're watching the latest weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. Last week, the dollar fell to two-month lows against a basket of 6 major currencies. Sentiment on the greenback was vulnerable last week, as minutes of the Federal Reserve's November meeting showed that some officials were concerned inflation would stay below the bank's 2% target for longer than expected. The euro strengthened against the dollar and received an additional boost after Germany's Social Democrats agreed on Friday to hold talks with Chancellor Merkel on renewing their outgoing coalition government. Data also pointed to robust growth in the eurozone. The British pound also strengthened last week, but Bank of England Governor Mark Carney's comments over the potential consequences of a disorderly Brexit prompted some selling on Monday. President Donald Trump's drive to overhaul the US tax code faced more roadblocks on Tuesday in the Senate, where a pair of Republican lawmakers demanded changes to the party's tax bill in exchange for their help in moving the measure forward. The price of Bitcoin soared to a record high on Tuesday, approaching the symbolic $10,000 threshold. Bitcoin, which started 2017 below $1,000 and broke through $5,000 in October, has risen almost 900% so far this year. The digital currency seems to be unaffected by warnings of a bubble. Gold prices were near 6-week highs last week as sentiment on the dollar remained vulnerable amid ongoing concerns over the pace of future US rate hikes and uncertainty regarding a potential US tax overhaul. Oil prices rose last week but fell on Monday and Tuesday on uncertainty over the outcome of the OPEC meeting on Thursday. OPEC is due to decide on its production policy for the next year. The focus is now on OPEC's partners, specifically Russia. Even if Saudi Arabia manages to persuade Russia to agree to a longer extension of the cuts, there may be some doubt concerning the compliance of Russian oil companies. You have been watching the latest weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets.